Question number 67. This question is from economy section, and the question is, consider the following: 1. Bonds, 2. Provident fund, 3. Securities against small savings. Now, which of these are components of internal debt of India? Here it is important to understand what is internal debt of India. It is the part of total debt in a country that is owed to lenders within the country. Internal debt owed by a government, that is money a government borrows from its citizens. It is part of the country's national debt. It is a form of flat creation of money in which government obtains cash not by printing it, by borrowing it. And all the given three are components of internal debt of India. Governments borrows funds by way of issue of bonds. The government obtains funds through the issue of bonds such as national rural development bonds and central investment bonds, etc. Provident fund are also divided in two categories: employee provident fund meant for employees and public provident fund meant for general public. Now, securities against small savings. Since 1919 to 2000, under the new accounting system, national small savings have been converted into central government securities. Thus, all the three are components of internal debt of India. So the answer will be option D, all of the above. With that, let's move on to the next question.